Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check City Neet step by step. Open the official portal in your browser and go to the Results or Admit Card section right away. Enter your roll number and date of birth exactly as issued, then complete any CAPTCHA and submit. Save a screenshot and download the PDF for your records, and contact Exam Helpline promptly if any details appear wrong or pages fail to load. Open the Results area and look for links named Results, Scorecard, or Admit Card depending on the portal layout. Click the correct link and wait for the form to appear, then enter your roll number and date of birth as printed on your Admit Card. After submission, confirm your name, roll number, and city are correct, then download the PDF and take a screenshot for backup and future reference. If the portal is slow or timing out, refresh the page, try a different browser, or use incognito mode to bypass cached issues. Ensure you enter the exact roll number and date of birth format the portal expects to avoid errors. If results still do not appear, check official social media updates for outages and contact the exam helpline with your details and a screenshot of any error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.